from JIS School of Polytechnic, Kollani, Nodia, West Bengal. Today, I will describe the process to filling up the form to get the admission in the prestigious college. At first, open your Google Chrome browser. After opening the Google Chrome browser, type www.jissp.ac.in. After opening the official website of the college, just cross the pop-up window and then click on Application for Admission 2021 Apply Now pop-up button. After clicking this pop-up button, Admission 2021 tab will open, in which at first you have to go to the new registration process and fill up your own details. Here you have to type your name. And the mobile number you have to put in this specified area. And your email address have to put, but it is not mandatory. That is, if you have no email address, don't worry about it. Just put your mobile number and press on save and continue. But I have my own email address, therefore I am typing my own email address. Now I am clicking on save and continue. A pop-up says, "Are you sure?" and click on OK if you are sure about your credential you have already put in the website. Now a pop-up is saying OTP sent to your mobile and email. Click on OK. After putting this, there is a place to type your OTP already sent to your mobile number as well as to the registered email ID if you have already put the same. If there is any problem regarding the receiving of the OTP, you can click on the resend button. And after getting the OTP, you have to put the same OTP in the box and click on save and continue. After clicking on save and continue button, an application number along with a password will be generated. Please note it down for the further reference for filling up the form. Now you have to choose the season, and it is 2021. That is the current year in which you have to take the admission. Then click on next. After clicking on next, there are some options in your screen. For getting admission in JIS School of Polytechnic, you have to click on Diploma. You can choose your course type, Diploma Engineering, and JIS School of Polytechnics have 5 streams or 5 disciplines namely civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, and computer science and technology. You have to put diploma CE to get admission in civil engineering discipline. To get admission in computer science and technology, you have to choose the option diploma CST. And for electrical engineering trade, you have to choose diploma EE. And to get the admission in electronics and telecommunication, you have to choose the option. And to get admission in mechanical engineering, you have to choose the option diploma ME. For your example, I am choosing diploma CE, in which I am interested to get admission in this college for this year. And after choosing the course, you have to select the campus JIS School of Polytechnic from the right hand side, select campus window. After adding all the programs and your campus, just click on Add Program and Campus button. You will see your choice here in the Add Program and Campus tools. Now, how did you come to know about university or college? Just click in the drop down and you may choose your source from where you are aware about this college. For example, I am clicking on word of mouth. So if you are from India, you have to choose general admission category, and if the hostel facility is not required, you should click on no. If the hostel facility is required, you have to click on yes. So for example, my hostel facility is not required, so I am clicking on no. After clicking on the no, I will click on Save and Continue button. After clicking on Save and Continue, you have to click on OK, and then you have to click on the next button at the bottom of right hand corner. After clicking on next, you have to put your personal details, and as identity proof, you have to put at least Aadhaar number or voter ID number or passport number. So I am putting my Aadhaar number. After putting my Aadhaar number, if you are physically challenged person, you have to click on this option and you have to write down how much percentage you were challenged physically as per the medical certificate. Then you have to fill the present address. I am filling my present address. Then you have to put city here. Then you have to put the PIN number, and from country you have to choose India. And you have to put the state from where you are belonging. I am from West Bengal, so I am putting the state West Bengal. And in the district button, you have to put the required district, that is in the district where you are currently living in. So I am currently living in the North 24 Parganas, so I am putting North 24 Parganas. And if your permanent address and present address are same, just click on yes, otherwise click on no and put your permanent address. My permanent and present address both are same, that is why I am clicking on yes. and the present address is copied in the permanent address tab. Now next, guardian address same as permanent address or present address or none. You have three options. After that, you have to put your local guardian name. If you are living with your parents, then you can put your father's name or mother's name, who is your guardian. And you have to put the relationship. So I am putting the relationship with candidate, that is me. Here you have to put the date of birth. You have to put the blood group here. You have to put your sex orientation, that is you are male or female. You have to put the martial status here. You have to put the caste. If you are unreserved, then click on GC, that is general category. If you are belonging from other backward classes, you have to click on OBC. And if you are SC and ST, correspondingly, you have to click on the correct option. And here you have to put the religion, and again you have to put the nationality here. My nationality is Indian, that is why I am putting India. And you don't have to put anything in the inquiry date space. My personal details is filled up, and now I am clicking on save and continue. Success message shows, that is why I am clicking on OK and click on next. After that, I have to put my family details. Here at first you have to put your father's details. Your father's age, your father's education, your father's occupation, your father's organization, that is currently your father is working with which organization. If no organization is applicable, just put it any, that is not applicable. And here put your father's phone number. After that, put the email of your father. If not available, just put it not applicable. Now in the second page, you have to put your mother's detail. At first you have to give your mother's name, your mother's age, your mother's education. If your mother is working, write down the occupation. If your mother is housewife, you can write it down too. In this place, you have to put the phone number of your guardian, of your mother. If not applicable, you can put it NA, and in case of email, if it is not applicable, just put it not applicable. And if you have any brothers or sisters, you can put the details of your brothers and sisters in this space, but I have no brothers and sisters, so I can easily leave the space. At the last of the family details form, here you have to put your family income per annum. And if there is any association of any family member with JIS group, just click on the correct option. If no, click on none. Click on save and continue. click on OK in the Are You Sure tab. After success of the filling of family details, click on OK and then click on Next. Now here you have to put your academics details. If you are class 12 or class 10, at first you have to put your class 10 details. Class 10 results available? Yes. You have to choose the board from where you have passed out your Madhyamik examination. For CBSE, ICSE, state and others, I am clicking on state. So you have to put your school name here. Then you have to choose the board. You have to put your pass out year here. Medium of instruction, institution. You can put it Bengali or English or Hindi. Here you have to put your percentage. And in case of subject or stream, just simply write general. If class 12 is available, that is you have passed a higher secondary examination, then fill the format in the same manner of class 10th. Otherwise, just click on No and go to the last of the form and click on Save and Continue. After clicking on OK, you just have to click on Next. Then here you have to upload the required documents. So at first you have to upload a passport size colored photograph whose size will be less than 100 KB. So you have to choose file from here. After that, please upload your scanned copy of class 10 mark sheet if available. Therefore, you can choose same image or same passport color size photograph here and then click on Save and Finish. Don't worry, you can submit your mark sheet of class 10 at the time of physical verification. After clicking on Save and Finish, here is application submitted. Thank you for applying for admission in JIS Group colleges, and you can print the form and the executive of JIS Group will contact you shortly. Just print this form you are submitted. A PDF will be generated like this and you just save here in your computer, then press the button and click on Logout. After submitting the application form, you have to log in again and put your application number and your password and click on the submit button. Click on session, choose 2021 and you can see the documents has been verified by the college and you just have to accept for admission and click on OK. Thereafter, our college representative will call you for further communication and you can print the form from this link. Thank you.